ஒன்னு ஒன்னு அந்த மாதிரி ஒன்னு ஒன்னு ரெண்டு ஒன்னு ரெண்டு மூணு
ஒன்னு ரெண்டு மூணு நாலு ஒன்னு ஒன்னு ரெண்டு ஒன்னு ரெண்டு மூணு ஒன்னு ரெண்டு மூணு நாலு.
Yes. Okay. Anyone else? Thank you. Anyone else?
I'll do it.
Sure.
ஒன்னு ஒன்னு ரெண்டு ஒன்னு ரெண்டு மூணு ஒன்னு ரெண்டு மூணு நாலு ஒன்னு ஒன்னு ரெண்டு ஒன்னு ரெண்டு மூணு ஒன்னு ரெண்டு மூணு. No.
It was good. It was good. Just missed the last beat. Try it again. Good.
Okay. ஒன்னு ஒன்னு ரெண்டு மூணு ஒன்னு ரெண்டு மூணு நாலு. No.
It's okay.
Yeah.
You're almost there. Try it again. ஒன்னு ஒன்னு ரெண்டு அங்க இருக்கு.
ஒன்னு ஒன்னு ரெண்டு ஒன்னு ரெண்டு மூணு ஒன்னு ரெண்டு மூணு நாலு.
Fantastic. Great job. Super, super, super. So you did the Madhyamakalam and the slow speed. Anyone else? You can even go until 3. You don't have to go till 4 kuda vandam. If you are not comfortable going till 4, you can even start with going till 3.
ஒன்னு ரெண்டு மூணு ஒன்னு ரெண்டு மூணு நாலு.
Okay. So for you and others who are finding it difficult to say one rendu moonu in, and also the thalam, if it goes like 1 1 2 vandana, try putting adi thalam and saying this one rendu moonu one rendu moonu nalu. Try doing that in adi thalam.
ஒன்னு ரெண்டு மூணு நாலு
ஒன்னு ரெண்டு மூணு
ஒன்னு ரெண்டு மூணு நாலு.
Okay, that's twice. Okay. Say that twice and say the slow speed once. ஒன்னு ரெண்டு ஒன்னு ரெண்டு மூணு ஒன்னு ரெண்டு மூணு நாலு ஒன்னு ரெண்டு மூணு ஒன்னு ரெண்டு மூணு நாலு. Okay, so those who are not comfortable as yet to put the thalam as ஒன்னு ரெண்டு மூணு அது முடியலனா try it in adi thalam. Okay, so that kind of leads us into what we will be looking at today, this third session, which is about what are the necessary exercises that you need to do to keep in good shape. Most of you are aware of these gyms opening up everywhere, at least not for the time being, but once the lockdown is over, you know that everyone just rushes to the gym either before work or after work or whenever they feel like. Why do they do that? So why do we go to a gym? Anyone? Can you answer that?
So they can stay in shape and maintain or attain like the aesthetic they want.
Yes, and just whatever you said now, that say the same thing is the answer for my next question as well. Why do you need to practice Carnatic music? So give me the answer that you just gave.
So you can maintain or attain the level that you want to be at.
Stay in shape. That's a very important word. No matter if you're a vocalist or an instrumentalist, doesn't matter. You need to stay in shape every single day. And let me ask this question. What does a basic practice session look like for an average student? You know, on an average, if you take you take yourself as an example. One of you, just tell me what is the basic practice session. If your mom or if your guru asked you to practice, sit and practice, what would you do? How long would you take?
Can I say it?
Sure.
So I would usually start off with a Varnam, maybe an Aditalam or an Artatalam. And then I'll do a few songs and I'll do a little bit of Manodharmam, maybe Ragam, Swaram, Neraval. I'll do that. And then I'll practice my Buddha, like a new song or whatever my teacher has taught me so far. And yeah.
Okay.
And I pretty much do
Anyone
this in the
else?
morning and the evening. Morning is mostly like
You
Akara.
practice in the morning and the evening, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, morning is just like akaram, sarliverse, apastaverse, alankarams, and just practicing and training my voice. And evening is mostly practicing pata and manodharmam.
Yeah. And then anyone else? That was Padmaharam. That was the user ID. Anyone else? What does your practice session look like? How long do you practice? Every day or once every 2 days? How frequently and how long?
I usually start off before my practice to start off with my Janti Varse to like get akarams, and I usually take 30 minutes just for that.
30 minutes just for that. Okay. So we have to kind of revisit the basic lessons. As I might have already told you one of these sessions that our basic lessons are probably the most sophisticated. In fact, even Indian music, if you take, it's one of the most sophisticated music forms of the world because the basic foundation is so strong. It's you have, but it's a pity that we kind of rush through the basic lessons in order to get to the Varnam stage. And once we reach the Varnam stage, we look forward to going to the Kirtana stage. And after Kirtana stage is Manodharma stage. This has been the hierarchy in which Carnatic music has been taught for many years now. I think after so many years of being a student and a performer now, I think that there needs to be a little shuffle in the way we maintain our shape. Whether it's our voice, whether it's our musical acumen, musical sensibility that we have, it has to be maintained. But how can we maintain it? What are the absolutely must-dos in our practice sessions? So after much consideration, after much experimenting and experiencing what the following exercises can do to me, I would strongly recommend the 3 exercises that I've just shared with everyone on the chat room: Sarali Varse, Melsthayi Varse, and the Tatu Varse. So these 3 exercises are absolutely, I would say, gold to anyone who wishes to keep the voices. Let's talk about vocal music because I'm a vocalist. Anyone who wishes to keep their voice box, to keep their throat, their voice in control. And the time of the day when you practice, it's absolutely, I would say it's flexible because earlier people would normally prefer mornings when your brain's retention capacity is considerably very high. You're fresh at the start of the day, so that any new lessons and whatever you practice, you are at maximum efficiency level. And as the day progresses, maybe your the other things get fed into your mind, and your brain starts suffocating with a lot of information. And that's the reason people don't encourage you to practice towards the end of the day. So it's better to start the day with a good warm-up session, and all these. I would equate the 3 Sarali Varse, Melsthayi Varse, and Tatu Varse. I equate them to your cardio exercise in gym, because you need to do it to maintain a very steady heart rate. Maintain a steady the heart. At the heart of Carnatic music, what do you have? You have the swaras. So the swaras, they need to be maintained at a very good rate. Only if you practice Sarali Varse, Melsthayi Varse, and the Tatu Varse. Have you practiced the Melsthayi Varse? Do you know what that is? I think it's called Upper Sthayi Varse in English. And the Tatu Varse, I don't know what that is called in English. Tatu Varse, I think the Ganamrita Bodhini mentions that only as Tatu Varse. Okay, we have two Tatavarsis. Can anyone sing one Tatavarsi, one of those two in Mayamala Gola? Anyone? Sa, pa, sa. That's Shruti. Tatavarsi Keli Putukela. Have you heard of Tatavarsi? Anyone? Again, I'm talking to myself. Have you heard of Tatavarsi? Anyone?
Yeah.
Good. Thanks for responding. So, Tatavarsi. What do you remember of Tatavarsi?
Oh, go ahead, Saket.
Okay, I can sing it. I can sing the. You sing the.
Can sing it?
Tatavarsi. Yeah.
Good. Go ahead.
Sari saga ri ga ri ma sa ma ga ri sa ri ga ma ri ga ri ma ga ga pa ri pa ma ga ri ga ma pa.
Now, can you increase the speed? Ga ma ga pa ma da ga da pa ma. Go to that speed now. Very good. Thank you. Anyone else with the next Tatavarsi in the same speed?
Samagama riga sari sakari ga sari ga mari pa ma pa ga mari ga ri ma ga ma ri ga ma pa ga la pa la ma pa ga ma ga pa ma pa la ma ni la ni pa la ma la pa la ma pa la ni pa sa ni la ni pa la pa ni la ni pa la ni sa ka pa la pa ni la sa ni sa la ni la sa ni la pa ni ma pa ma da pa ni la ni pa la pa ni la pa ma da ga pa ma da pa na ma pa ma la pa ma ga pa ri ga ri ma ga pa ma pa ga ma ga ri ma sa ri sa ga ri ma ri ga ri ma ga ri sa.
The rendu Tatavarsi, they are absolutely important to be sung every day. And the trick is to not only sing it in Mayamala Gola, but to sing it in 5 different ragas. Okay, I'm going to type out those ragas as well, 5 ragas in addition to Mayamala Gola. So once you do it in Mayamala Gola, once you do it in Harikamruchi, next in Pantuvaradi, next in Kalyani, next in Simendra Madhyamam. I'm sorry, there's a typo there. Simendra Madhyamam. Okay. And one more ragam, it's a little difficult, but it can be sung nevertheless, which is Chalanata. So this is like the next level of working out. Till now you would have done the lessons in one particular way, which is fine, which has got you this far. But the next level of working out, which is essential for you to, this is like targeting core areas in your body. You know, some people might want to develop their upper body strength. Some people want their limbs to be perfect, their legs to have adequate power and strength. So the trainer, what he does or what she does is to give them the right kind of exercises to target those specific areas which are problematic. So that's what these ragas actually do. Over and over again, if you keep on singing just Mayamala Gola, you get used to those frequencies of notes alone. But what we want is for you to be comfortable and familiar with a lot of frequencies. If you remember the first class, we spoke about swaras and how how they interact to form ragas, right? And we discussed about the various svarasthanas. Within these 5 to 6 ragas that I have given now, you will be covering almost all the svarasthanas. You will be having a Shuddha Rishabham, you will be having the Sadharana Gandharam, you will be having the Chatushruti Rishabham, Shuddha Madhyamam, Shatshruti Rishabham, Pratimadhyamam, everything will be covered. Okay? Are you guys with me till now? So what I would request you to do is, if one day, maybe a Monday if you start practicing, you practice Maya Madhava completely, and then Tuesday shift to another raga. Go to Harikamboji. For those who are not, can anyone sing Harikamboji Aronam Aronam for me right now, please? Harikamboji. Sari Gama Padani Sa Sani Da Pa Magari Sa. Can anyone repeat what I sang now, please?
I can try.
Yes, we all.
Sari Gama Padani Sa Sani Da Pa Magari Sa.
Thank you. Remember, this is the third and final session that we are having, so you might as well speak up. Okay, we won't be having a session at least in the near future, so I would like a maximum participation from all the children and students. Next, Pantuvarali. Has anyone heard of Pantuvarali? Can anyone give me the Aronam Aronam Pantuvarali, please? Let me sing Pantuvarali. You can repeat. Sari ga ma pa ni sa ni da pa ma ga re sa.
Can I
Can
sing?
anyone repeat this? Sure.
Sari ga ma pa da ni sa
The Shuddhadayodam.
pa ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa.
Very good. Thank you. The next one is easy. Kalyani. Most of you would have heard Kalyani, right? Can anyone sing?
Sari Gama Padani Sa Sani Da Pa Magari Sa.
Very good. Thank you. That was Kalyani. Sari ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. Next, Simhedra Madhyama. How many of you have heard Simhedra Madhyama?
I can try it.
Sure, go ahead.
Sa di ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga re sa.
Very good. That's Simhedra Madhyama. And then, to the most difficult raga of this lot, Chalanata. Who has heard of Chalanata? Chalanata is a Vivadi ragam. That means it has two notes which are extremely close to each other. So Chalanata goes like, yeah, Hridaya Bala, want to say something? You want to try?
Yeah.
Sure. So,
Sari ga ma pa da ni sa ni pa ma ri sa.
yeah, that is Nata, which is the child of Chalanata. Chalanata is a Sampurna ragam. It has to have it must have all 7 notes in Arohanam and Avarohanam. So can you re-sing that?
Sari ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga ri sa.
மேல போகும்போது என்ன notes இருக்கோ கீழே வரும்போது அதே notes வரணும். What were the notes that you gave in the Arohanam? It has to be the same notes while coming back. You're changing them. Try again. Sa ni
da pa.
Matriya. pa da ni sa sa ni da pa
The Sani the pa
da Shatshruti Daivatam sa ni da pa
pa Magarisa.
ma ga re sa.
Magarisa.
Yeah, can we hear it one more time, please?
Sari ga ma pa da ni sa Sani the pa
Ni the ni and the are the Vivadi notes, along with Ri and Ga, ni and the. They're very close to each other. Sa ni the pa.
Magarisa.
Yeah, thank you. So these are the 5 ragas that I would recommend for you to sing every day. Okay, Monday you have a chart system. Monday you sing Maya Badavala. Tuesday go to Harikambodi. Wednesday you sing Panturali. Thursday Kalyani. Friday Simendra Madhimam, and Saturday Charanata. Well, what happens on Sunday? Take a break. You just have to let your body kind of heal itself, right? Even in the gym, they suggest you need to have one off day. Just like that, if you've practiced 6 days, all these ragas, Sunday you might as well take a break and kind of listen to different songs. So these are the ragas that I would usually recommend for you to stay in shape, okay, every single day. But what do you sing in these ragas? That's the next question. Okay, this is like the equipment you have in the gym, but what would you do with that equipment? That's what we're going to be looking at next. Yes, Sarali Varsai, I know I told you Sarali Varsai, Male Sthai Varsai and Tatya Varsai. Definitely you need to do that. But before even getting to Sarali Varsai, you need to give that exercise that we do before every class. The exercise that we actually don't even know the name of. Can you tell me what exercise that is?
Stretching?
Was that?
Stretching?
Okay, yeah. Okay, stretching. You're talking about the actual gym. I'm talking about the music gym.
Sapasa.
Yeah. So what is it? What is the name of that exercise? Why do we always ask students to sing Sapasa?
To get the bass note.
Bass note, yeah. Actually, what you said, the stretching, it's kind of like the Sarali Varsai. But Sapasa, I think it's more like, I would call it pitch analysis. Have you heard of this word called pitch analysis? They do it in the game of cricket. I don't know if they do it in baseball too, but it's where some experts go down to the field and analyze the pitch and say that, this is where the ball is going to hit the rough. If it hits the rough, it's going to bounce. It's going to spin more, and this is a hard spot, a sweet spot where it's going to bounce. All these different things they analyze, looking at the pitch and the surface of the pitch. So we also have pitch in Carnatic music, right? What pitch do you sing in? So I think Sapasa is basically analyzing the pitch that you are comfortable with on every particular day. Each one of us, we have different shrutis. I sing in pitch D. You may sing in pitch G sharp or G or whichever pitch. So every day you need to make sure that your voice knows that this is the pitch you're going to be singing in. And not only that, it's analysis, right? So your voice should actually know what is the range that it can go to. And as I told you, since we are in the process of revisiting the basic lessons, you might as well try to change it from sa pa sa to pa sa pa sa pa. Okay, rather than just having sa pa sa, just having that, begin with sa pa sa and then try to hit the lower panchamam and go to the upper panchamam. I agree that not everyone will be able to hit the lower panchamam immediately. So if you're just freshly up for the day, you won't be able to sing that much clearly immediately. So your voice needs to tune itself for that. Then slowly come down. So continuously keep singing these different swaras. Panchamam, Sajam, the Vikriti swaras, sorry, the Prakriti swaras. You remember what Prakriti swaras are, right? We discussed about Prakriti swaras in the first class. What are Prakriti swaras?
Shadja and Panchamam.
Yeah, why are they called Prakriti swaras?
Because they don't change, they stay the same.
Yeah, what does Prakriti mean?
The natural.
Yes, they're naturally occurring swaras. Sa, pa, sa, pa, sa. So these are like the base notes that you have. Rather than confining to just one octave, if this is your sa, pa, sa, I want you to go half an octave below to sa, pa, sa, pa, sa, pa, sa. So at the end of those 5 minutes, where you're going to be doing sapasa. So I've just changed sapasa to a 5-minute exercise. It's really worth it. You have to try it every morning. The first thing that you do is singing sapasa for 5 minutes. Sapasa, pasa. You part it for 2 minutes. You just sing sapasa, and then you hit the panchamam below, the mandrasthai panchamam, and then you go to the tarasthai panchamam. This will actually open your voice, and it will kind of make your voice know that these are the octave. This is the octave that I'm going to be operating in. This is called the operating octave, from the lower panchamam, shadjamam, panchamam, male shadjamam, and then tarasthai panchamam. Okay, this is the sapasa, and then you go to your sarali varsai. Now, maybe if the day is Wednesday, what ragam are you going to be singing? You remember? Looking at the list that I sent now.
Pandurali on Wednesday.
Yes, you're right. Panturali on Wednesday. So just like they have all these various menus on different days in the restaurant, like, right? They have these taco Fridays or something. So like that, you're going to be looking at Panturali Wednesdays. So every Wednesday you take Panturali for that day, sing Sarali Varsai. If you have time, you can sing Jantai Varsai. But I would suggest, definitely you have to sing male sthai varsai. And then just look at the construction of male sthai varsai. I think it's a very effective exercise to train your voice to go to the male sthai. And also look at the way the male sthai varsai is constructed. It's devised in such a way that your voice does not get stressed. No, your voice does not get strained. Do you understand what I'm saying? If you know the male sthai varsai, I think you can relate to what I'm saying. Can anyone sing the male sthai varsai a little bit?
Which one?
Sorry, which one?
It's the way it's written in Ganamrita Bodhini, it's like a progression. So it's like
Yeah, the whole set is upper sthai varsai. You
Okay.
need to sing the whole as a set. Okay, but I think there are 5 total.
Yeah, the fifth one is the full one.
Full one, yeah. So
Yeah.
you use the right word. It's a progressive exercise. You hit the sa, male sajamam first, then you hit the rishabam first, gandharam, madhyamam, and then the panchamam. So it's a very progressive way of hitting the upper notes. So whoever devised it, they naturally wanted you to feel comfortable while singing. Otherwise, they would have asked you to sing the panchamam straight. So they just want you to ease into the upper notes. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa sa sa, da ni sa ri sa ni da pa ma ga re sa re ga ma pa da ni sa sa, da ni sa ri sa ri. Next one. It goes to the rishabam. Then you go to da ni sa ri ga ri sa ri, hit the gandharam. And then you go to da ni sa ri ga ma ga ri sa ni da pa ma pa. You go to the madhyamam. and again come back. And then full. The fifth one goes to the ni sa re ga ma pa ma ga re sa ni da ba ma pa da ni sa re ga ma ga re sa ni da ba ma pa. Okay, that's a wonderful exercise that has been handed over to us. So I expect all of you to do Melsthai Varisai definitely every day. It's a wonderful exercise, as I said. And then you go to the Starter Varisai. Well, it's a pity that we have only 2 Starter Varisai, because Starter Varisai is, when I was probably your age, I'm talking about the children, I was not very fond of Starter Varisai because it's very easy to slip and fall. What kind of a jumble, it's like a jigsaw puzzle. Samagama rega sari saga rega sari gama ripa mapa gama rega rima gama rega mapa idarkaliya. It's nothing but you're stepping 4 steps first, and then coming back to the first step, going to the third step, second step, and then the 5th step. So there's a very orderly way of jumbling up swaras. This is not a random jumble. It has a very orderly way of progressing. Even that Starter Varisai, even though it's going here and there, it has a very orderly way of going that way. So as I said, I was not very fond of doing this in my early years, but once I went into the performance stage, you do realize that there are only 72 Melakarta ragas that you have in Carnatic music. Am I right? But do you know the amount of Vakra ragas we have in Carnatic music? There are so many Vakra ragas. What is Vakram?
Is it the child ragas?
What is it, pardon?
Like the ragams that are derived from the Melakarta ragas?
Yeah, Vakra ragas, they are derived anyway, but Vakra ragas, they are not only the child ragas. Child ragas are called Janya ragas. So Vakra raga is a category of Janya ragas. Vakram means zigzag, crisscross. Not, I wouldn't say distorted, but yeah, the order is distorted. It's jumbled. So if you look at Vakra ragas that you have, for example, Nalinakanti, Begada, Sahana, many of these ragas, Ananda Bhairavi, Riti Gaula, there are more than 72 Vakra ragas easily in Carnatic music. So to understand all those ragas, singing Starter Varisai, which is nothing but Vakratvam, it has a direct influence. There is a positive connection between singing Starter Varisai and Melsthai Varisai. I'm sorry, and Vakra ragas. For example, just listen to the way Ananda Bhairavi progresses. So look at how many Vakratums are there. This is one Vakratvam. And if you take a very advanced ragam, I'm not talking about you singing this ragam right now. You will probably learn this raga in a few years from now. This is called Karnataka Behag. It's a very famous composition in. This is a famous composition that you have in Carnatic music called Nenendu Vedu Kudura. Nenendu Vedu Kudura. It's a famous composition. It sounds very easy on the ear. It's very easy to learn also. But the Aronam is so confusing. The Aronam is such a plain Harikamboji. Sanidani pada sanidani pada magarigasa. So this is the Avaroham. So look at sanidani pada magarigasa. So many zigzag patterns. So how do you get yourself familiar with these ragams while you're at a performance stage? So that's again revisiting the basics. So never let go of the basic lessons. That's a very valuable lesson that I learned from my gurus and my contemporaries that I would like to share with you. So working out in the Carnatic gym is nothing but revisiting all the basic lessons, but with a different level of understanding. For example, now you learned that you have to go beyond Maya Malagula. You have to even go beyond singing Sapasa just once. You need to sing Sapasa for 5 minutes and then go to Sarali Varisai and sing the Melsthai Varisai and go to the Starter Varisai. And then the other important thing that I wanted to say is, after you've done everything in Swara, do again everything in Akaram. you know what is akaram, right? You might practice that already. Akarathula, the syllable a, try to do everything. All the exercises that you just did, repeat in akaram, because that actually gives you the breath control that you so badly need while performing. So let me move to another ragam. Today is Sunday, obviously a break day, but let me go to Simendra Madhimam. Sariga ma. So what am I singing? Sariga ma padani sa sanita bamakarisa. If I'm singing the fifth male stave, say this is how it's going to be. In one breath. I'm able to do this because I've done this like day in and day out. But you need to get to that level, and you start with slow speed and take as many breaks as possible. In terms of, you don't have to sing it in one breath. You don't have to sing it in one go. That should be your ultimate objective. But work towards that. Take a break, take a breather. Take all the time you need. Just go one step at every time, and then go to Simendra Madhimam, hit the male Panchamam. And once you're comfortable with it, go to the next speed. And ideally, you should be hitting the next speed with as minimum breaks as possible. You just try to give the whole thing in 1 or 2 breaths, not more than that. So it increases your lung power, it increases your lung capacity, singing the male stha varasai in 1 breath. And again, singing the thatu varasai in 1 breath. Adu oru breathla. The Aronam, thatu varasai, everything in 1 breath. Similarly, coming back in 1 breath. So breath control can definitely improve if you do akaram in the ragas that we just discussed, in the exercises that we just discussed. Okay, so I hope you're noting all this down. Anyway, we'll give you the recording and you can revisit this class one more time. This is pertaining to the melodic part of Carnatic music, what you need to do in the practice room sessions, what you need to do to keep fit, to keep your voice in shape. Moving on to the next category of practice, where you kind of improve your rhythmic skills and your pronunciation. Okay, I'm again talking about the aspiring singers out there. I think I sent a very interesting text through Tamil Changam. I hope you all received it. It was in Tamil. I hope you got it transliterated with the help of someone in your family. Did you get it? Everyone?
Yes, it was sent to everyone.
So can anyone who can read Tamil, any child who can read Tamil, just read what I had sent?
Saravana Bava, Guha Guha Saravana Bava, Harivan Muruganai, Muruganai Pinai Puri, Purameri Sivan Magan, Arul Malainel Nanai.
Very good. Ange, I'll stop you there. Don't go away. Just be there. Abhirami Sekar, right?
Yeah.
Very nice. Nalla Tamil padikkiringa. Romba sandosham. Now I'm going to switch to Tamil. Sorry, because முருகனை பத்தி பாடுறேன், Tamil la பேசாம இருக்கிறது. சரளை வரிசை பாடுறீங்க. The 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 அது சொல்றதுக்கே you said that it's going to help you because you're going to start giving those numbers in Tamil, right? This exercise, I'm sure you must have heard of this wonderful music composer called Ramesh Vinayakam. He comes from a very classical family. And he is the person who has composed these verses. And the speciality about this verse, and I've told him that as well, it gives the much needed change that you need today to make your practice sessions even more interesting. It's nothing but Sarale Varsai with words. ரொம்ப அழகா பண்ணிருக்கார். Abhirami, can you recite the first verse alone?
Saravana Bhava, Guha Guha Saravana Bhava.
So Saravana Bhava Guha. That is your Sarigama Padanisa. So instead of singing Sarigama Padanisa and Maya Molakula, sing Saravana Bhava Guha.
Saravana Bhava.
Maya Molakula Bhava. Sarigama Padanisa.
Saravana Bhava Guha.
திருப்பி வரும்போது
Guha Saravana Bhava.
அவ்வளவுதான். Okay?
Yeah.
Ideally, this you should be able to do after you come back from school. Morning நான் சொன்ன practice பண்ணியாச்சு. Coming back from school, இது வந்து daily பண்ணணும் கூட அவசியம் இல்லை. Because you will be probably, you will have work towards, you have to work towards the new song that you're learning, refresh the varnam and the kritis, all that you can do in the evenings. But make sure you do these lessons at least twice or thrice a week. This will improve the way you start singing lyrics as well. In Tamil irundha kuda, this will have a positive effect in any language that you sing. The pronunciation is important in any language. We can't take that for granted, right? So Sharavana Bhava Guha, Guha Sharavana Bhava. Okay, that is Sarigama Padanisa Sanidava Magarisa. Anyone? Next, anyone can, if anyone knows Tamil, can you read the next text that we have?
Okay. ஹரியவன் மருகனை முருகனை நினைத்திரி புறமெறி சிவன் மகன் அருள் மழையினில் நனை.
Yeah, so this is your second Sarali Varsai. Sari 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 gama padanisa. இதுதான் ஹரியவன் மருகனை முருகனை நினைத்திரி.
ஹரியவன் மருகனை முருகனை நினைத்திரி
புறமெறி சிவன் மகன் அருள் மழையினில் நனை.
புறமெறி சிவன் மகன் அருள் மழையினில் நனை.
Yes, that's the second Sarali Varsai.
Thank you.
Thank you. So now I think I must have triggered your interest. Can anyone come forth to do the third one?
பரமேதி சிவமகன் அருள் மழையினால் அது பாடியாச்சு இல்லையா? இரவு பகலும் உனதினையடி அரவு நதியுமணி சிவகுரு என துதி. இது நீங்க தான்
இதான் மூணாவது. இரவு பகலும் உனதினையடி கதிமதி அரவு நதியுமணி சிவகுரு என துதி. மூணாவது.
பகலு மதி நிலை கதிமதி அரவு நதிமதி சிவகுரு என துதி.
ஆமா, அந்த வார்த்தைகள் it will start getting a little more it's like a tongue twister, but it's fascinating to try. I'm still in the process of trying singing these words. I think someone else is humming. You can feel free to sing. Rammohan பண்றீங்களா?
ட்ரை பண்ண அவ்வளவுதான்.
பண்ணுங்க நெக்ஸ்ட் நீங்க
சொல்லுங்க. இல்ல எல்லாரும் வந்து ஓடிரும்.
அதெல்லாம் இல்ல சார். அடுத்தது நீங்க ரிசைட் பண்ணுங்க. திருவருள் சொல்லுங்க. நாலாவது திருவருள்.
என்னவா சொல்றீங்க?
ரிசைட் பண்ணுங்க.
திருவருள் பெற சொல்லுங்க.
எனக்கு ராகம் எல்லாம் கரெக்ட்டா வராதே.
ராகம் இல்லைங்க, ரிசைட் பண்ணுங்க. சொல்லுங்க போ.
திருவருள் பெருவரு மடியவர் மனமுறை முருகனின் முடிவரு பெருமையை தினமுறை.
இது இருக்கா? சோ இதுதான் நாலாவது. சரிகம பதனி சனி தப மகரிச. திருவருள் பெரும் அடியவர் மனமுறை திருவருள் பெறவரும் அடியவர் மனமுறை முருகனின் முடிவரு பெருமையை தினமுறை. அந்த மாதிரி. So it has been composed with a lot of love and care for Tamil and Carnatic music. So it would really benefit if all of us try to sing this as part of our weekly exercises. I'm not talking about daily. அருள் தரவா எனும் சிறு நகைத்தவள் வளர் அருமுகனை பணிந்திரு வினையினை தகர் கடிமையில் தனில் வரும் அழகனின் பெயர் சொல்ல மிடிபயமோடு பெரும் துயருத்தும் பொடிபடும் குருமகள் பத்தினி. Okay, that is Sarigama Padani, Sarigama Padani, Sanidava Magari, Sanidava Magari, Uramagal Patini, Kuvalayam Tolum Surat, Kulamagal Nidini, Yana Anudinam Tuti. I do a lot of times when I visit some of the students, the difference between na, la, no, they find it difficult. Na solra edathula na solra, it comes only with practice. And I remember evulavatti ennoda chitti, she has kind of the thodai pudichi killuvaanga each time I mispronounce the words. Valam ku badala valam nu solluven, anai ku badala anai nu solluven. So indha mari indha na la இது ரொம்ப ஒரு முக்கியமான ஒரு difference in Tamil, and it holds good even in Sanskrit. Sanskritலயும் அதெல்லாம் இருக்கு, அனா இருக்கு, நா இருக்கு, லா அந்த மாதிரிலாம் இருக்கு, அந்த டிஃபரன்சியேஷன் இருக்கு. ஸோ singing these exercises will help you overcome that difficulty as well. And Sarigama Padani Muchacha Sanidaba Magari Sanidaba Magari Artarigama Pamatap Aruvanan Guruvanan Guruvanan Karunayin Taruvanan Tiruvanan Tiruvarul Tarubavan Iga Parasura Iga Parasugamaru Sarigama Padani Sarigama Padani Sarigama Padani Sanidava Magari Sanidava Magari Sarigama Pamatap Sarigama Padani Sanidava Magama Sanidava Magari இல்ல அது Sarigama Arul Sarigama. What is the one after Sarigama Padani? Sarigama Padani, sir. Does anyone remember?
Sarigama Pamagari.
Sarigama Pamagari. Yeah. Sorry. Thank you. Aruvanan Uruvanan Guruvanan Karunayin Taruvanan Tiruvanan Tiruvarul Karubavan Iga Parasugamaru Irayavan Taniyavan Idargalai Tidavarun Ilayavan Iniyavan Surar Tuyardir Urudiran அசுரர் குலமொழிய வேல் விடு சமரன் வானவர் தானவர் தாழ் பணிந்தேற்றும் திசை முகந்தினம் தொழும் பிரணவ ஸ்வரூபன் பதமலர் பணிவார் ஹிருதய நிவாசன் அசைவரு மகநிதி அருளுமுலாசன் திருமுருக சிவகுமர வரத திருவடி துணையன மனமகிழ் ஈசன் அருமுகன் பாதம் பணிவோம் அணிவோம் புவிமேல் இனி ஒரு துயரில்லை பயமில்லை. So the entire Sarali verse, it is translated in Tamil with some very nice words which respect the dirgham also, the shortening and the lengthening of syllables. Adhu, this has been taken care. So I have shared this text with you. Take your time, transliterate the text in English. Go with just 1 or 2 verses every week. Try to sing it in Tamil. Try to adapt the Sarali verse in Tamil maybe twice every week. Na sonna mari pannungo. Use different ragams for this exercise as well. It will actually help you in overcoming, as I said, the difficulty in pronunciation, and also this will help in the lung capacity, because many a time I find that while singing kritis, ஸ்வரம் பாடும்போது அக்காரம் பாடும்போது பிரேக் எடுத்தா கூட தெரியாது. பிரேக் எடுத்தா people won't notice it. While singing kritis, it's very the break becomes very evident, and sometimes the break, if it's given at the not so appropriate place, the meaning kind of gets split, meaning gets changed. So if you have to practice singing Tamil lyrics without breaking at the inappropriate place, you need exercises such as what I just did now. These exercises are very important. Okay, I can sing it in full. Maybe I'll sing it once and I'll share it with Tamil Changam people, and they can give the recording to you. So that's something that again, we are breaking away from the normal way of practicing, and we are trying to include Tamil lyrics in our daily practice sessions. Okay, this is don't think of this as prayer. I mean, if you think of this as prayer, good for you. But even otherwise, this has so much of a rich influence on your singing Tamil lyrics, on your singing Sarale Varisai. Okay, this is a very important thing that I feel should be followed by most of the students. To end the session, going to the pure Tala experience. Second class, we spoke about mathematics in Carnatic music. So this is a development. This is an extension of what we did in the second class, where we sing Sarale Varisai to different talams and different speeds. Okay. If I ask you to sing Sarale Varisai, anyone, what will be the response? Talathoda paadun solran. If I want you to sing with talam, adi talam, just can anyone sing? Sarale Varisai. Just sing Sarale Varisai with talam.
I can do it.
Sure.
Sarigama padani sa sani da pa magari sa sarigama padani sa sani da pa magari sa sari
Yeah. I'll just hold you there. Yeah, just hold on. So this is the usual way that we are used to singing. Don't go away, Hridaya Bala. Just be there. This is the usual way that we present Sarale Varisai with talam, and this is the way in which we practice Sarale Varisai. Again, after this session, let's rediscover the Sarale Varisai, the way we sing. Why don't we include 3 different speeds in a single Sarale Varisai? What we usually do is we sing in this speed, and then we go to the slow speed once, and then we go to the fast speed. If you do sa re ga ma pa da ni sa, idu fulla paadittu, and then you do sa re ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa, and then you do sa re ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa, sa re ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa, sa re sa re sa re. In the mari, I assume this is the way we have been doing it, right? All these days. Huh? Yeah. Is that what you're saying? What I'm saying is, try to have the different speeds in one single Sarale Varisai. This is how it will go. Hridaya. Is your name Hridaya or Hridya?
Hridaya.
Hridaya. Oh, nice. My daughter's name is Hridya. So I thought it was a rare name, but not anymore. Okay. Sa re ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa.
Sari ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa.
Good. So what we did now is Adi Talam is made of 3 different components. One is the lagu, and then 1 dhritam and 1 dhritam. So 1 lagu and 2 dhrithams. You guys know that, right?
Yes.
What is the lagu? Can you show me the lagu, Hridaya? Yes. Dhritam? Yes. So the lagu bodu you are going to sing in sa re ga ma in the slow speed. The first dhritam you will be singing in the middle speed, the madhyama kalam. Pa da ni sa. The next dhritam in the male speed, faster speed. Sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. Okay, so sing it twice so that people can follow.
Sari ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. Sari ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga re sa.
Very good. Thank you, Hridaya. என்னோட குடும்பமே இருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். ஹிருதயான்னு பார்த்தேன், என் பேர் பார்த்தா மைத்திலின்னு யாரோ இருக்காங்க, அம்மா பேர்னு யாரோ இருக்காங்க. Is someone called Maithili in this list? I think I let someone in called Maithili
Ramachandran ஆண்டி இருக்காங்க.
ரொம்ப நெருங்கிட்டோம் நம்ம. Anyway,
second Vishalaki.
Very nice. So the second Sarali Varsai. Now Hridaya did the first one. The second Sarali Varsai, can anyone try? In this format, I'll help you.
I'll try.
Go ahead.
Sari sari gama sari gama padanisa. Wait.
Adha illa. Yeah. You figure it out. I'll wait.
Sari sari sari
Regama.
Sari. How does it go to second speed and then switch to third speed?
Same. Sari gama padanisa. Avladha.
Oh. Sari gama padanisa.
Coming back.
Sari gama sari gama padanisa sani dapa magarisa.
That's all. Good. Third one. Who wants to try the third one?
Can I try?
Go ahead.
Sari gama padanisa.
Super. Avladha. Isn't this a little more interesting, and it kind of gives a lot of work to your brain and your hand, right? You have to remember where you have to change. So as you progress the Sarali Varsai, things start getting more interesting and difficult. Next one, who wants to try?
Sari gama padanisa sani dapa magarisa.
Yeah, next, go on. Very Arab.
Sari gama pa sari gama padanisa sani dapa sani dapa magarisa.
One more time. Sari gama pa sari gama padanisa.
Sari gama pa sari gama padanisa sani dapa sani dapa magarisa.
Yeah, perfect. That's it. So in the Madri, ella Sarali Varsayum. So the next Sarali Varsayum is Sari gama pada sari gama padanisa sani dapa magasani sani dapa magarisa sari gama padani sari gama padanisa sani dapa magari sani dapa magarisa. ஒன்னு புரிஞ்சிருந்தாக்க பாக்கி எல்லாம் ஈஸியா வந்துடும். இட்ஸ் வெரி சிம்பிள் அண்ட் இட்ஸ் இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங். இட்ஸ் ஒர்க் ஃபார் யுவர் பிரெயின் ஆஸ் வெல். இது பாடிட்டு ஒரு வாட்டி பாடினாக்க இன்னொரு நாள் அகாரத்தில் இதையே பாடணும். as I said, akaram directly influences the lung capacity that you can probably give. So இது அகாரத்தில் பாடுறது ஒன்று. And the last thing I would like to do is sari gama padanisa sani dapa magarisa. இப்படி பார்த்தீங்கன்னாக்க the talam never changed. Did the talam change? The talam went constant. Okay, what we can do is to change the talam as you change the speed. Sari gama padanisa sani dapa magarisa. Okay, so what you do now is sari gama. Till there, you put the talam just as the swaras go. Sari gama padanisa sani dapa magarisa. Sari gama padanisa sani dapa magarisa. Sari gama padanisa sani dapa magarisa. Okay. இப்போ வந்து it's a little difficult now because both ஸ்வரமும் சேஞ்ச் ஆயிருக்கு, தாளமும் சேஞ்ச் ஆயிருக்கு. This is what we do in the highest form of performance standards, Ragam Tanam Pallavi. Okay, I'm actually taking exercises from the highest level of proficiency, which is the Ragam Tanam Pallavi singing, where you do something called the Anulomam and Pratilomam in Pallavis, where in Anulomam the talam kind of remains the same. Your singing covers different speeds. In Pratilomam, your singing covers different speeds and the talam also changes according to the speed. So that is what I'm trying to give you at the grassroots level right now. So you got the Anulomam pretty well. The talam was constant, your singing speed changed. But what you have to do, work towards is, or Anjavati Padna, you will get familiarized with this. Sarigama, 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 sorry, Sarigama, Padani, Sani, Dapa, Sani, Dapa, Sani, Dapa, Magari, Sari, Sari, Sarigama, Sarigama, Padani, Sani, 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 Dapa, Sani, Dapa, Magari, Sari, Ga, Sari, Sari, Ga, Sari, Ga, Sari, no, Sari, Ga, Sari, Ga, Sari, Sarigama, Padani, Sani, Da, Sani, Da, Sani, Sani, Dapa, Magari, Sa. So this talam that I'm putting now is Adi talam. The only difference is the lagu, the first 2 beats is going in double beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 2 in lagu going in single beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the dhritam, rendu dhritamu is going in the fast speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the talam rendu vaati potta ungalku puriyum. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is the talam that I'm singing for the same exercise that you did. All right. So in the exercise, it's we have actually kind of reinvented the practice of Carnatic music, at least at the basic level. And who owns the copyright of these practice sessions? No one. It has just been passed to me by my friends, my gurus. We just kind of assimilate whatever we get and we hit upon new ideas. So the biggest idea is for you to do these exercises and find out if you can add some of these new elements, new different ways of approaching at the same mundane exercises, so that you can broaden your vision, broaden your perspective, and find out how Carnatic music, the practice can be made a lot more fun and a lot more relevant to the current generation. Okay, so I think I've covered all that I've had to say in this session. Any questions? I'm happy to take some questions before we wrap the entire series.
I don't have a question, but are you allowing anybody to try a lesson? Just with that?
What was that?
I don't have a question, but is it okay if I try one lesson?
Sure, go ahead.
Sari, 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 gama, sari, gama, pada, ni, sa, sari, 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 da, pa, sari, da, pa, ma, ga, re, sa.
Super. This is what we need. No, the whole point of doing these workshop sessions is not, yeah, of course we need to teach you something, but we need to trigger something in you. You have to realize that, okay, I can do this. I have to try something new, start something different. So I'm happy you did it. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. I think it's already time. Yeah. So can anyone recap what all I did in this session? Let's see how much attention has been given. Any student? இந்த செஷன்ல எங்க இருந்து ஆரம்பிச்சு what all did we cover? Whatever comes to your mind.
Is it okay if I say?
Sure.
In the beginning, you told us how to stay in shape, and you said that we should do Sorali Verse, Upper Side Verse, and Dhatu Verse when we like practice. And then you said that like doing Akaram helps with like the breath control. And you said that we should do it in a total of 6 different ragams and take a Sunday off, I guess. The first one would be Maya Malagaulam. Second is Hari Kamboji, Pantuvarali, Kalyani, Simendra Madhyamam, and Chalanata. And then after that, you told us how to do the Sapasa with the 5 different, for 5 minutes, the 5 different ones, and you call that the operating octave. And then after that, you told us how to do the Sorali Verse with like different words in it, like the text that you sent about like Muruga. And then after that, you taught us how to do the Sorali Verse in different speeds and different talams.
Perfect. I couldn't have said it better. Super. Thank you. I think till you get comfortable with the lyric Sarali Verse, that I gave Sharavanapa. You get comfortable with the lyrics first. Adukapram adu varaikum keep singing it in Maya Malagal. Don't change the ragam till then. So once you are completely thorough with the lyrics, try singing the same Sarali Verse with lyrics in different ragas, the ragas that I just mentioned. And again, in the 6 ragas, naan da sollirken. It's not been given by any university, or it's not a operating standard procedure la onnu kediyadu. Feel free to choose different Melakarta ragas that you have. Someday, if you think that I feel like doing Kiravani or doing it in Latangi, go ahead, do it. But these 6 ragas are basically in the ragas you should be familiar and how each swara changes. Adu pannan appuram I'll be happy if you grow your pair of wings and fly away. Anything else? Any questions or anything else to say before we wrap up this session?
Other participants also can come up and express their views how these 3 sessions were there. They can come up and say at this point. We encourage everyone to come up and say a few words.
எல்லாருக்கும் பிடிச்சிருந்ததா இந்த செஷன் எப்படி இருந்துச்சு சொல்லுங்க. Everybody liked it?
This was the best. ரொம்ப பிரமாதமா இருந்தது.
Okay.
And I knew it would be, but it came through very, very happy.
I'm sure a lot of you have learned a lot of new things, and he's an expert, so it's a great chance.
குழந்தைங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப பொறுமையா சொல்லி கொடுத்தார். நல்லா இருந்தது. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது.
Teacher too. No.
குழந்தைங்க தான் பொறுமையா கேட்டிருந்தாங்க. பேசுறதுக்கு.
It's so interesting. They cannot not be interested. ரொம்ப ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது.
சரண் ரெக்கார்டிங் கொடுத்துட்டாரு. நாங்க எடிட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம். எடிட் பண்ணிட்டு நாங்க ஷேர் பண்றோம் யூடியூப்ல போட்டுட்டு.
Yeah.
Okay.
First 2 sessions ஓட recordings.
ஆமா, first 2 session வந்திருக்கு. அடுத்து வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் கம்பைன்டா உங்களுக்கு போடுறோம்.
Yes. So thank you Tamil Changam for doing this. As I said, it takes a lot of effort to gather so much of so many people and connect them with a musician like me. So I really appreciate, and also thank you to the students. Idala it's the arambam. So no workshop is going to give you a complete picture. So the rest is up to you. You try to find out different ways of practicing swaras, practicing talams, and the whole point is for you to realize what Carnatic music is truly worth. Okay? Yeah.
ஆகஸ்ட் 2 கச்சேரி இருக்கு. சரணோட கச்சேரி ஆகஸ்ட் 2 நாங்க லிங்க் அனுப்புறோம். நீங்க கலந்துக்கணும், எல்லாரும் கலந்துக்குங்க. ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் ஃபேமிலி
அந்த சப்ஜெக்ட்டும் போடுங்க. பேசிட்டு இருந்தீங்க இல்லையா, என்ன போடுறது?
ஆமா,
போட்டு அதுக்கு answering, please.
Expect our email, so with all the information.
Yeah. So August 2nd, please assemble for the concert that we are going to present.
Its concert is free for everyone, so bring everyone.
Yes.
So closing remarks la I would request Tamil Sangam committee la irukra inga yaarla irukringlo, Kumar Raja, Kumrappan, காஞ்சனாக்கா, டாக்டர், எல்லாரும் எல்லாருமே ஒரு ஃபியூ வேர்ட்ஸ் சொல்லுங்க க்ளோசிங் ரிமார்க்ஸ்ல. நல்லா செஷன், இந்த 3 செஷனை பத்தியும் சொல்லலாம் நீங்க.
நான் தான் இப்ப சொல்லிட்டேனே, அவர் நல்லா பண்ணாரு. குழந்தைங்க ரொம்ப இன்ட்ரெஸ்டடா இருந்தது. he made it fun and interesting. அவர் சொன்னது அதுதான், மேத்தமேட்டிக்ஸ் அதெல்லாம் வச்சு பண்ணுவேன் அப்படின்னுட்டு. ஸோ அவருக்கு அந்த பண்ணி எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸும் இருக்கு குழந்தைங்களுக்காக. ரொம்ப குழந்தைங்களுக்கு மாத்திரம் இல்ல, பெரியவங்களுக்கும். I was really very very interested. So hanging on to every one of his words. ரொம்ப பிரமாதமா பண்ணாரு. எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம்.
கண்டிப்பா. குமரப்பன் இருக்கீங்களா?
இருக்கிறேங்க.
சொல்லுங்க.
சரண் வந்து 3 செஷன் நல்லா பண்ணியிருந்தாங்க. ரியலி வெரி குட். அண்ட் வீடியோஸ் அனுப்புனா வீடியோஸ் will be really good to watch one more time.
ராஜா சொல்லுங்க.
குருச்சரன் ஒரு வார்த்தை பேசலாம், பேசாம போறாரு.
குருச்சரன் இருக்கீங்களா?
அவர் விடுறதா இல்ல. 2002 அவர் பாத்தே ஆனோம்.
உங்க முகத்தை கொஞ்சம் காமிங்க.
காமிக்கவே மாட்டாரு, மாயமா இருக்காரு. மெசேஜ் அனுப்பிச்சிருக்காரு, தேங்க்யூ சோ மச் ஃபார் தி செஷன்ஸ் அனுப்பிச்சிட்டு கிளம்பிட்டாரு அவரு. யாருன்னு தெரியல.
குமார் சொல்லுங்க.
வணக்கம் சரண் சார், ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ். என்னோட கிட்ஸ் வந்து they are soccer players, they are not Carnatic students. ஆனா they found it very fascinating. They didn't realize that Carnatic is so deep and mathematically challenging. அதனால they were very keen. In fact, in fact they are in a different session or online class irukanga, so they couldn't get into the whole class, but they were there in the beginning. So I'm going to review the videos with them, and I'm pretty sure at some point in time I'll be able to motivate them to go deeper into Carnatic. Thank you so much. I'm pretty sure it's the same. Thank you. That's the feedback from my kids, and thank you for taking time. I know it's a challenging time, and technical and English sort out manning, so thank you so much. And we are looking forward for more sessions like this in a more advanced stages. So maybe
pleasure. Yeah,
we'll combine teachers, so we can do a much more NSL or next level of coachings we would like to organize. Okay? Thanks so much.
Yeah.
And love to the family. Engur ponnu irukanga unga veetla, so say hi.
Definitely.
வனஜா அக்கா இருக்கீங்க, ஆர்காட் இருக்கீங்க, நீங்களும்
வனஜா, ஆர்காட்.
From the beginning to end ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது சரண். Even before that also I went through the Wikipedia, basic knowledge how to get this, all the Kirtana, this one from the beginning, எல்லாமே it was very interesting. And இப்போ எனக்கே ஒரு ஆசை இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங் வந்திருக்கு. இப்போ I want to learn more and more and more. How to put your mind, body and soul into one perspective, it is very very nice. Thanks for your time. Thank you.
Anaja, Dr. MN
mute idunga.
Sorry,
can you hear me now?
Problem I hit.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, பேசுங்க.
ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு மிஸ்டர் சரண், ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்துச்சு. நான் சின்ன வயசுல இருந்தே கர்நாடக மியூசிக் கேட்டு வளர்ந்தவ தான். எனக்கு சின்ன வயசுல இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இல்லை, அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் என் பொண்ணு கத்துக்கும் போது தான் எனக்கு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் வந்தது. ஐ லேர்ன் அ லெசன். நான் வந்து நிறைய இந்த 10-15 வருஷமா அதுக்கு கர்நாடக மியூசிக்கை ரொம்ப இன்வால்வ்டா தான் இருக்கேன். ஆனா இவ்வளவு விஷயங்கள் எனக்கு தெரியவே தெரியாது. இந்த 3 வீக்ஸ்ல நான் ஐ லேர்ன் அ லாட். என்னுடைய பேத்திக்கு இப்ப நான் சொல்லி கொடுத்துட்டு இருக்கேன், சொல்லி கொடுக்கலாம். இந்த கேப் வேற கிடைக்கும். இட் வில் பி வெரி ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல் ஃபார் மீ. தேங்க் யூ வெரி மச்.
சின்ன இருக்கீங்களா? சின்ன ஹேமா இருக்கீங்களா?
நீங்க எம்என்கே
நமஸ்காரம் ஹேமா, எப்படி இருந்துச்சு?
It is very nice and it's very knowledgeable. I don't know music, even still I could understand so many things that you are saying. It's a very good and very successful workshop, I would say. Thank you.
Doctor.
Thank you, Charan. இதான் முதல்ல we are trying to make a workshop. நான் first time New York Tamil Sangam try பண்றோம். So இந்த workshop வந்து really successful workshop. எப்படின்னா my observation is குழந்தைங்க participation was fantastic. நீங்களே நோட்டீஸ் பண்ணிருப்பீங்க, குழந்தைங்களுடைய knowledge is very good. Because நீங்க சொல்லி கொடுக்கும் பொழுது அவங்க எவ்வளவு அழகா அதை திருப்பி சொன்னாங்க, எவ்வளவு அழகா அவங்க கூட பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணாங்க. அது கேட்கும்போது தான் ரொம்ப மனசுக்கு ரொம்ப திருப்தியா இருந்தது. உங்களுக்கும் அது ஒரு பெருமையா இருந்திருக்கும். ஏன்னா அந்த மாதிரி ஒரு ஃபீட்பேக் ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்துச்சு. ஸோ நீங்க குழந்தைங்களுக்கு இன்னைக்கு சொல்லிக் கொடுத்தது அது நியூயார்க் தமிழ் சங்கம் குறிக்கோளை குழந்தைங்களுக்கு கொடுக்கணும் அப்படின்ற ஒரு பெரிய குறிக்கோள். அந்த குறிக்கோளை நீங்க திருப்தி பண்ணீங்க. அது இல்லாம அடல்ட்ஸ் பத்தி இப்ப நாங்க பேசினாங்க. நான் உங்களுக்கு தெரியும் ஒரு வருஷமும் நியூயார்க்ஸ் தமிழ்ச்சங்கம் சார்பாகவா என்னுடைய சார்பாகவா மியூசிக் அகாடமியில ஃபுல்லா உட்கார்ந்துருப்பேன். ஸோ நான் நிறைய கேட்டு என்ஜாய் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். பட் இன்னைக்கு உங்களுடைய மூலியமா நல்ல டீட்டெயில்ஸ் எனக்கு புரிஞ்சுது. நான் கேட்கும்போது என்னென்னத்தை உன்னிப்பா கேட்கணும், என்ன விதமா அவங்க பாடும்போது எப்படி நம்ம அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணணும், அதை இன்னைக்கு ரொம்ப அழகா எனக்கு சொல்லி கொடுத்தீங்க. அது ரொம்ப நன்றி அதுக்கு. ஸோ ஆன் த ஹோல் இது வெரி சக்சஸ்ஃபுல். இதை ஆர்கனைஸ் பண்ண ராம்மோகன் அண்ட் அவர் நியூயார்க் தமிழ் சங்க தலைவர் ரங்கநாதன் அவர்களுக்கு மிக்க மிக்க நன்றி. அவங்களுடைய ஆதரவு ரொம்ப கஷ்டப்பட்டு அவங்க முதல்ல சின்னதாக ஆரம்பிச்சாங்க. ஆனால் நிறைய குழந்தைகள் பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ண வந்தாங்க. ஸோ எங்களை அறியாமலேயே நிறைய பேர் வந்தாங்க. ஸோ இது ஒரு பெரிய திருப்பு முனைன்னு சொல்லலாம். ஸோ இன்னமேல பண்றதுக்கு எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப தைரியமும் வரும், இதை விட அருமையாகவும் பண்ணலாம். ஆனா நீங்க ஆரம்பிச்சு வச்சு இவ்வளவு அழகா பண்ணதுக்கு உங்களுக்கு மிக்க மிக்க நன்றி. வணக்கம்.
lot of credit goes to Vanaja and Kachanaka. நிறைய பேரை கொண்டு வந்தாங்க உள்ள. நிறைய பேர்
ராமகன் you worked very hard. எதுக்கு நீங்க தான் ரொம்ப
எல்லாரோட வொர்க் இருக்குல்ல. நீங்க எல்லாம் கொண்டு ஸ்டூடண்ட்ஸை ரீச் அவுட் பண்ணது நீங்க எல்லாம் தான்.
முதல்ல சரண் கொண்டு வந்ததே நான் தான்.
ரொம்ப தேங்க்ஸ். அப்புறம் இன்னொரு நோட்டு, சரண் நடிச்ச சர்வம் தாளமயம் மியூசிக்கல் ட்ரீட் பாருங்க எல்லாரும். அவர் ஜட்ஜா வந்திருக்காரு. இதுல நிறைய மிருதங்கம் அது மாதிரி நிறைய இன்ட்ரெஸ்டிங் இது இருக்கு பாருங்க.
நிறைய தாளம் கத்துக்கலாம்.
ஆமா,
இன்னும் நடிச்சிட்டு தான் இருக்காரு.
இன்னும் நடிச்சிட்டு தான் இருக்கிறாரு.
இல்ல இப்போ நடிக்கலங்க சினிமா.
One point we have to make is thanks to this COVID time, you made the shut-in time very very good these 3 weeks. And அடுத்த வாரமும் அடுத்த தடவை நீங்க நியூயார்க் வரும்போது நேரடியா கூட வச்சுக்கலாம் இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு
நிச்சயமா. I think very important. ஏன்னா கச்சேரி பாடிட்டு போயிடுறோம், பட் connecting with this young group, ஏன்னா இவாதான் potential audience for the next 40-50 years. So இவாளுக்கு பிடிச்சாதான் கச்சேரி நடக்கும். So
நீங்க தான் அம்பாசிடர் இப்போ உலகத்துக்கு.
அதுல நிறைய பேர் உங்களை நேரா பார்த்தது போன தடவை பார்த்துட்டு தான் அவங்களுக்கு டக்குன்னு இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் வந்தாச்சு. So அந்த இன்ட்ரெஸ்ட் இன்னும் we have to raise it more.
Can you any one of the children talk, because they have this knack of being politically incorrect.
ஆக்சுவலா உங்க கையில
டிப்ளமசில கிடையாது.
உங்க கையில முதல் பரிசு வாங்கின ஒரு குழந்தை கூட இங்க இருக்காங்க. ஸ்மிருதி ஹரனோட டாட்டர் இருக்காங்க. அவங்களோட பேச சொல்லலாம்.
Because they can say the right thing. என்ன பட்டன் டக்குன்னு சொல்றாங்க. சொல்லுங்க நீங்க. Any one of the children, yeah?
ஸ்ரீரஞ்சனி நினைக்கிறேன் அவங்க பேர்.
ஸ்ரீரஞ்சனி. அப்ப இருக்கா?
பேசலாமே. எப்படி இருந்துச்சு செஷன்? எப்படி இருந்துச்சு?
மியூட் எடுத்து விட்டு பேசுமா.
I thought it was really good. I enjoyed. I actually learned a lot more than I have learned before. I can add more things to whatever I practice. Kartala or Sangyala, I can add more, and it was very informative. Thank you.
That's it? No room for improvement, you would say?
No, I enjoyed it. I enjoyed it a lot. You actually talked a lot about a lot of the basic things that my teacher also says, so it was very similar, yeah.
Thank you, Sridhar.
அவ அம்மாவே ஒரு மியூசிக் டீச்சர் தான்.
மியூசிக் டீச்சர் அவங்க.
Okay.
ஆமா.
Very nice. Super.
மத்தவங்க யாரனா சொல்லலாம் நீங்க.
I also found the sessions very informative and helpful. I don't get the luxury of being taught a lot of theory, so I always glean whatever information I can, any chance I get. And I think that if we could do more sessions in the future, so you can give us more information, that'd be awesome.
Certainly. Thank you.
Okay. சரிங்க.
முடிச்சுக்கலாமா?
ரொம்ப நன்றி சரண்.
Thank you.
நாங்க கேக்குறப்பெல்லாம் நீங்க ப்ரோக்ராம் பண்ணி கொடுக்குறீங்க.
ஆமா.
இந்த நிகழ்ச்சி
ஒரு சந்தர்ப்பம் எனக்கு அமைஞ்சது. தேங்க்யூ.
உங்களை நியூயார்க் தமிழ் சங்கத்தோட ஆஸ்தான வித்வான்.
தேங்க்யூ. ரியலி ஆனர்ட். தேங்க்யூ.
அது எங்களுக்கு தான் பெருமை. நீங்க வந்து இந்த 3 செஷனும் வந்து ரொம்ப அருமையா இருந்துச்சு. நிறைய பேர் பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணாங்க. அவங்களுக்கு நிறைய நாலேஜ் கண்டிப்பா ஒரு நாட்ச் இன்க்ரீஸ் ஆயிருக்கு அவங்களுடைய நாலேஜ் லெவல். ஸோ அவங்களுக்கு ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்றதுக்கும் நிறைய டிப்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கீங்க. இப்போ இன்னைக்கு இந்த சரளி வரிசை பேஸ் பண்ணி ஒரு பாட்டு இருந்துச்சு இல்லையா, இந்த பாட்டு இன்க்ளூசிவ் ஆஃப் திஸ் நிறைய டிப்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கீங்க. அவங்க ப்ராக்டிஸ் பண்ணி இன்னும் மேலுக்கு மேல இன்னும் நிறைய பண்ணலாம். அவங்க நாட் ஒன்லி இந்த செஷனோட முடியாம இன்னும் அவங்க லைஃப் லாங் கேரி பண்றதுக்கான நிறைய விஷயங்களை நீங்க கொடுத்துருக்கீங்க. ஆடியன்ஸ்க்கு நான் ரிக்வெஸ்ட் பண்றது வந்து அடுத்த வாரம் நம்ம கச்சேரி இருக்கு. இதே சண்டே ஆல்மோஸ்ட் சேம் டைம் தான் யூடியூப்ல வரும். நியூயார்க் தமிழ் சங்கத்தோட யூடியூப் சேனல்ல வரும். கண்டிப்பா அதை பாருங்க. அது கம்ப்ளீட்டா அதுல வந்து நீங்க எதுவும் கேள்வி கேட்க முடியாது, பட் அவருடைய கம்ப்ளீட் சாங்ஸ் இருக்கும். மோஸ்ட்லி நாங்க அந்த டைட்டில் கூட டிசைட் பண்ணிட்டோம்னு நினைக்கிறேன்.
பாரதி மூவர்,
பாரதம் கண்ட பாரதி மூவர் அப்படின்னு டைட்டில் வச்சிருக்கோம். ஸோ 3 பாரதியார்கள் இதுல வந்து அவங்களுடைய பாடல்கள் இதுல இருக்கும். நீங்க எல்லாருமே நல்லா சப்போர்ட் பண்ணணும், என்கரேஜ் பண்ணணும். அந்த யூடியூப் சேனலோட இதையும் நீங்க ஒரு சக்சஸ்ஃபுல்லா கொண்டு வரணும். சரண் அதுக்காக ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்காரு. ஹி இஸ் ஒர்க்கிங் ஹார்ட். we are all working in the background. ஸோ இதை வந்து நம்ம இன்னும் நிறைய we have to carry through. இன்னும் இதுல பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணாத நிறைய உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் அண்ட் ஃபேமிலிஸ் எல்லாருக்குமே சொல்லுங்க. மேக்ஸிமம் ரீச் அவுட் பண்ணி will let everyone benefit by this. நன்றிங்க, ரொம்ப நன்றி பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ண. வணக்கம்.
Thank you all.
வணக்கம். Bye bye.
வணக்கம் சார்.
Recordings வரும். In due course recordings will come.
Recordings வரும்.
Yes.